So you're wondering if Robinhood is the app for you to build your investments and start making you money. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to take this easy to use app, go through its features, and start building passive income today. And be sure to watch until the end of the video where I'll show you tips on how to choose the right stocks and even get a free stock to get you started. Let's go. Hey everyone, it's Jay here at Truth Leaders. Welcome back to the channel, helping you build your leadership influence in business and in life. And sometimes we do review videos, other times we do tip videos, helping entrepreneurs just like this one. So if you're new here, welcome and consider subscribing. So about 2 years ago, I had no idea about stock trading. What I did know is that I wanted to level up my financial growth through building passive income streams. Warren Buffett once said, and this is our truth of the day, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. And that absolutely stuck with me. The thing is that every time I tried to learn how to stock trade, I was slammed with terms and phrases I never heard before. And it felt like something was always stopping me before I could really get started. So what happened? Well, I discovered stock investment apps like Robinhood, and I absolutely loved them. They started my journey investing for the very first time, and it was so easy, I was able to get my friends and family to join me as well. So we're gonna break everything down and get you going. So if you already know all the app's features, go ahead and click or tap right here for the Robinhood tutorial to get started with buying stocks now. Now, if you don't know anything about Robinhood and you just wanna know if this is the app for you, let's get to it. So meet Robinhood. Robinhood has more than 6 million people using it right now, and its estimated value is at around $7.6 billion. So it's a definite popular go-to for people looking to invest. Robinhood is also a commission-free stock trader, so that means no monthly fees. The fact that Robinhood doesn't charge any stock trading fees makes this a great choice for beginners looking for an easy and fast way to get started with investing. So if you're new to investing, Robinhood has an easy search feature that allows you to find any stock or ETF by typing in its name in case you're unsure of the ticker symbol. A ticker symbol is an abbreviated version of the stock's name for easy identification. Every stock has one. So if you're looking for example, Apple, all you have to do is type the company's name into the search query and it'll pop right up. So if you'd like to get started with investing today, you can get a free stock by signing up with the invite code in the description below. It's part of Robinhood's referral program, so you'll get a stock and I'll get a stock too. Now, if you have a friend already with Robinhood, you can use their link and you'll both benefit from each other. The great thing is that once you get signed up, you can do the same for others. So let's say you find an interesting stock, such as Apple. Go ahead and click on it and it'll take you to its performance page. Now, it looks like Apple is trading at around $132. You can see the real-time fluctuations in the stock price right in front of you. Now, this is showing a one-day graph by default, so you could actually toggle from 1 day all the way up to 5 years. Ideally, it'd be nice to see the stock's full performance over its lifetime. The thing is that even with a 5-year graph, we can learn a lot about Apple. We see that it has consistent growth over those 5 years, and it represents a very healthy company. You can also drag your finger across the graph, and you'll see the exact dollar amount of the stock at any point on that timeline. Now, if you'd like to learn more if you should buy the stock or not, we'll cover that in just a moment. So the last thing for sure are the reports below the graph. So if you scroll down, you'll see a quick summary of stats, including how much the stock opened for the day and its highs and lows. So for example, Apple started the day at about $138, and its lowest point is $127, and its highest point is $137 for right now. Now, the most important part for me are the two numbers in the lower right-hand corner. It's the PE ratio and the dividend yield. So let's start off with the PE ratio. The PE ratio, or the price to earnings ratio, is basically the stock's price compared to what the company is actually making. So for example, Apple's PE ratio is at a 38 right now. So that means that the shares are essentially 38 times more than what the company is earning. Now, this is dependent on the stock's performance, and it's good to know the lower that number is, it means that it's a better value when you actually purchase it. So for me personally, anything 15 or below is a pretty good number. So the dividend yield is how much the company pays you for being their investor. So for example, they pay you a percentage of the shares that you own for that year. Now, Apple, their dividend yield is at a 0.67. So what that means is that if you own $100 worth of shares in that year, they'll pay you 0.67 of the $100. Now that means only 67 cents. At the same time, it's good to know that the more you purchase stocks with a great dividend yield, the more money you get. So if you go further down, you'll see the news to stay up to date on how the company's doing and what's going on. And then the analyst ratings are next. And that's basically a large group of people's recommendations on what to do with the stocks, either buy, sell, or hold. And then lastly, you see the quarterly earnings of the company. Now the green dots are for the actual earnings, while the gray dots are what the company thinks that they're gonna make. And it looks like Apple right now has been doing really well compared to the gray dots. Now I want to share with you 2 quick tips on depositing money and choosing the right stocks. Let me know you're getting value in this video by clicking on the like button. Thank you so much. And question for you is what's your favorite app? Now, some of you may have tried this one, except you may have tried other ones. I'd love to know your favorite in the comment section below. And hey, the best tips and conversations are happening in the comment section. So definitely engage and be part of the Truth Leaders community. So let's get started with the first tip on leveling up your stock investing game. And the first tip is to look at your income and decide how much you're going to invest on a weekly basis. By looking at your paycheck and deciding how much you're going to invest into your future, you'll be able to protect your money from impulse purchases and start making your money make more money. So let's get into the second tip. And the second tip is to buy low and sell high. So in general, it's best to choose your stocks wisely and then hold on to them for the long term. The thing is that sometimes we find ourselves with a stock that's volatile and it goes up and then it goes down and then it goes down and then it goes down. And then that's when you feel like you need to start to sell it. Now, unless you know the company's going bankrupt and you're going to lose all your money, hold onto the stock while it goes down because you don't lose any money until you actually sell the stock. The thing is that while it's true that what goes up must come down, the opposite is also true in the stock market. What goes down must come up. And when it does, you can sell the stock and still make profit from its earnings. So all in all, Robinhood is a solid platform for beginners and intermediate traders. If you're an investor and you're looking for a simple and innovative platform that connects with the financial markets, then Robinhood is the perfect choice. Otherwise, you might want to spend the extra commission to find a professional trading platform that has unique trading features. If you're still not sure if Robinhood is the right app for you, go ahead and click or tap right here for our top recommendations, or click or tap right here for another money-making video. You can also hit the like button if you found value in this video, and be sure to subscribe to Truth Leaders for another video just like this one, a step-by-step guide to building your leadership influence in business and in your life. Thank you so much, and I'll see ya in the next video.